afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. It is halfway through the week, and I am actually gonna just put it out there and say that this week has been really good. So, to celebrate, I actually got myself, what is this? I got myself Chick-fil-A. So, you know it's a good day. I got fries and a spicy deluxe with pepper. And the second bag is just all the sauces you can wish for. One interesting thing about Chick-fil-A is that I didn't know like you can request for no lettuce and no tomatoes, and then it'll actually bring down the cost like $3 or something, which is crazy. So I only found this out because I got it delivered through Uber Eats, and so I have lettuce and I have tomato, so why not save some bucks and use my own? Let me just wash my lettuce and the tomatoes, and then I'm gonna put it in my sandwich. Although it looks so good. Okay, so I went ahead and washed my lettuce and kind of laid them out to dry, and now I'm gonna assemble my sandwich on this cutting board. This thing is probably my favorite these days, this cutting board. Okay. And I have my tomato. I will cut it in slices. I think thin slices is gonna be better than thick slices, so can you even see? Well, if you don't, sorry. I'm way too hungry, so put my lettuce in here. Maybe I should make it like smaller. And then top it on. Ooh, I guess don't squeeze it. Normally what I like to do with my sandwiches is cut it in forks so it's easier to eat, and like that. See? So now we have the Chick-fil-A sandwich. Oh yeah. Look at that, folks. And I'm gonna enjoy it with a side of fries, per usual. This is probably my favorite thing in the world. Favorite fast food. If y'all have not, I'm sure everybody has tried this. The Chick-fil-A sauce is absolutely my favorite. Nothing really beats it. Makes me feel so happy. We're gonna try the sandwich. I'm one of those people that love sauces. Like 50% is the meal and then 50% is sauce. So then I'll eat 4 of these sauces, 3 or 4 sauces in one sitting. I would usually use hot Tabasco, but they let me order some hot sauce on top of the Chick-fil-A sauces that I got, so I'm gonna use a lot of the hot sauce too. And more Chick-fil-A sauce. I just realized that, since I'm filming this and just talking to myself, it's actually really hard to talk when you're like chewing with the sandwich in your mouth. But I'm just savoring it. Seriously, my endorphins are like flipping out. Ooh. They're so happy. There. I tried. Oh, I was actually gonna put one more cheese in it. I just wanted to try it since I have all these ingredients. Why not? If you added cheese to your order, they would probably charge you like almost $2, like $1.50 just for a slice of cheese. Ridiculous. The Chick-fil-A sauce and some hot sauce. Oops. I never added cheddar cheese. I think this is cheddar cheese, right? The Kraft cheese. I never ate the spicy chicken sandwich with any additional cheese. It does change the taste of the whole sandwich. It's bomb, but I think I prefer whatever cheese it comes with. The two fast food restaurants I always crave, Chick-fil-A obviously. The other one is In-N-Out. I always get the cheeseburger with chopped chili, grilled onions, and a side of animal style fries. Now when I am craving both, I could just add cheese to my sandwich and then it tastes like a cheeseburger. I could do like half and half. I'm a pretty slow eater. Told you, I'm almost done with it. Gonna get another sauce. If I was a professional YouTube person that does film mukbang, I would probably always sit here and eat. Wherever we move, we would always have to make sure there's a Chick-fil-A around us. I have to eat Chick-fil-A like at least once a month. It's like that addicting to me. This is such a random video. I'm gonna leave that piece in the sauce right now. I need a break. I waited too long to eat, super starving. I think it was yesterday. I filmed how to make a grilled cheese sandwich. It was really cool to film from that point of view but my camera got so overheated. I'm scared to damage it, so that really sucks. I'm gonna have to figure out a way to film from there. I cook there, I could film there, and then I could eat there. Great, my camera's about to die. So anyways, I'm gonna finish this up on my own. I don't know when it's gonna die. The light's blinking right here.